I'm here today to do a review on the Bob and Brad C2 Mini Massage Gun. If you're ready to check out this particular review, smash that subscribe button that you see right below, and let's get started. So here we are with the review of the Bob and Brad massage gun, okay? So here you have, this is the base of the massage gun. It feels really slick and smooth, easy to carry, fits in your hand really nice. So this is really nice. And on top here, there are 5 speeds, okay, which is nice because it gives you variety of speeds to target different muscles within the body. It comes with 5 nozzles, and each nozzles target different muscle groups within the body. For example, this one targets the back and the lumbar area, so you don't hit your spine when you're using it, which is really clever on the design, okay, which is really cool. I can't wait to try it. The glute muscles, okay. This one is kind of cool, I like. You are targeting your hands and your feet. And the reason I guess it's designed this way, that way you're hitting different pressure points and avoiding hitting all of the small bones in your feet and hand. Very clever. You have triceps, you have biceps, you have your abdomen, and it comes with a rubber ring that when you put the nozzles on, it separates it, which is kind of cool. So let's throw that on. Oh, additionally, it comes with a manual. So it gives you step-by-step instruction on what each nozzle is used for in terms of your muscle groups. Okay, so let's check it out. The 3 points, 1, 2, and 3, you can use on your neck. The nozzle, like I stated, you can use on your hands and feet. These two, 1, 2, can be used on your glutes depending on what you're trying to accomplish. All right, so the different nozzles, obviously for your back area. Really thoughtful. And then as far as your hamstrings and your legs goes, you can use this for your thighs and hamstrings, that is. So really cool for your abdomen. So let's go ahead and plug it in and check it out. Let's start off with the first one. I'm going to go with the ball point. I worked my legs today, so my legs and glutes are really sore, and I know a lot of time getting a massage will help to break down the lactic acid buildup within your muscles. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that on, just the first one. You have to hold that down and then it comes on. So it vibrates really good. It's not noisy at all. Oh yeah, I definitely feel it. Very cool. You can also use it on your pecs to break down those muscles in there. Okay, pretty cool. So let's go ahead and switch it up. I'm gonna put the ring on here, the separator ring. All right, just here. All right, let's go. Let's try the hand one for the hands. Okay, turn that back on. So you get all the small muscles in your hands, all the pressure points. It releases tension. And if that's not powerful enough, you can always go to level 2, 3, 4, and 5. And also your feet. Actually, under your feet. Oh, that feels great. Okay. That one passed with flying colors. Let's try one more here. All right, I'm gonna turn that tension up just a little bit more here. So that's on a high tension. Okay, it's on 4 of 5. It breaks down those knots in my arms. See, I have a lot of knots in there. Pretty good, huh? Pretty good. I would definitely recommend you buying one of the Bob and Brad massage gun. It's really nice, good quality. It comes with speed, and it also has a port on the bottom to charge it. So make sure you have your charger to make sure it's charged before you use it, okay? If you have any questions at all, drop me a line right below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, and I will catch you next time.